Word up, Willow Offgood. Or are you his bobbins? Willow Offgood and his bobbins. Or are you Kaya? Or are you Mad Mardigan? I don't know, man. Typewriter Series number 456. I'm going to read it to you before we prepare to go photograph a wedding here in town of a delightful and interesting and wonderful, amazing friend of ours named BJ. And it's going to be awesome, and I can't wait. Here's your wee paper. Looks like another piece of that weird buckskin colored paper. Here we go. There's no shape to a wish made, no weight to the hoping. I cannot hold the thought of arms, I cannot taste the craving of lips. Empty this bed stays, for just the need will never fill it. Sad. I love you a lot.